Blue Earth County tonight, where the murder charges against Adam Fravel are now in the hands of a jury.
Adam Fravel is accused of killing Maddie Kingsbury last year. Fox 9's Rob Olson was there covering this for closing arguments today. Rob, take us through those arguments and what this jury now has to consider.
They've got a lot to consider because, remember, this trial began about 3 weeks ago. That was after a protracted jury selection, so this has really been undergoing for longer than that. But the closing arguments to the jury began about 9 o'clock this morning. The jury then got the case at about 2:15, but at that point they still needed to get lunch and elect a foreperson. So really, they've been deliberating for just a few hours now. The closing arguments from the prosecution took about 90 minutes, and then an hour from the defense, and then the rebuttal again from the prosecution was about another half hour.
In his closing argument, prosecutor Phil Prokopowicz told jurors that only Adam Fravel had the motive, the means, and the opportunity to kill 26-year-old Madeline Kingsbury, his on and off again girlfriend of 7 years and mother of their 2 children. That their relationship was never about them, it was never about the children, it was about him, he said. His efforts to control the relationship through physical violence and emotional manipulation. Said Fravel was abusive, as they had heard from her friends and family. That there was no forced entry into their home when Maddie disappeared, leaving her coat, phones, computer, and wallet behind. When her body was found in a culvert on land near Fravel's parents' home and near the area he admitted driving to that day, she had a bath towel that matched those from their home knotted around her head, so tight it cut off the airflow from her mouth and her nose and caused her to die from lack of oxygen. Arguing this was premeditated after Maddie had told him days earlier she was dating someone new, and this time their separation would be for good. Defense attorney Zach Bauer revisited what he told jurors at the beginning of the trial, that investigators had tunnel vision on Adam Fravel from day one, had ignored a neighbor who testified he saw someone else at their home that day. It shows they are not interested in anything that doesn't fit into that narrative. And he argued testimony from friends about witnessing Fravel hit Maddie at different times was suspiciously identical. That testimony from her stepmother and other friends about prior bruises on Maddie's neck, those bruises were not seen by many others, arguing the only people that observed these marks were these witnesses, and they disliked Adam Fravel a lot.
Now, the judge decided that the jury will deliberate until 9:30 tonight, and if no verdict by then they're going to go to a hotel. They will be sequestered for this deliberation and resume again at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Live in Mankato, Rob Olson, Fox 9.
All right, Rob, thank you.